I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, rolls, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you everything we know about this old guy. This is a Bertsch plate roll, very, very heavy duty machine. It'll do 1/4 inch mild steel over 12 foot overall. You can see it's a nice heavy machine. Bertsch is one of the best you can ever buy. They're very, very heavy duty, meant to last many lifetimes. This is where you're going to control this guy. Got forward and reverse, super simple, easy to use. There's only a few different options on here that you're going to be using. You've got your 2 front cranks right there and right here. What that's going to do is raise this initial pinch roll. When I say initial pinch roll, you'll see one roll is right on top of the other. Going to pinch onto your material and pull it in. On the rear part of the machine, that's where you're going to have all the magic happen. This is going to be holding the machine, then it's going to be pushing back with this rear roll. The rear roll is what's going to give it a different degree of bend, and you have a little handy controller right here, up and down. Nice smooth action. What that's doing is raising this roll. You have indicators on each side. Right here, you can actually pull this coupler off and you can do a little bit of an angular. Both of these go up and down. That's going to give you your different degree of bend, which we'll show you right now, just a simple sample piece. Now on this machine, there is something to look at, is the drop end. You're going to have this as a manual drop end. You're going to have a forklift or something out there. What that does is that's going to fall off so that you can slide your piece out if that's how you're going to be using it. Sometimes you'll be doing some other pieces where you don't need to take it all the way off, but that's an option that's on there. Now, if you look right here, you can take a look. You'll see there used to be a hydraulic cylinder right here. I'm sure it could be remanufactured if needed, some type of air or hydraulic cylinder to make it so that that would be a hydraulic or air drop end. The other thing that's going to do is this long arm right here. It's going to go ahead right down there. There's a little push rod, and that's going to lift your top roller, give it a little degree here, and make it even easier for you to slide off. If that's something that's important to you, depending on what kind of time you have, you might want to add that, or this might work perfect for you depending on the job. So we'll go ahead and show you how this works. Again, our rear roll is giving our different degree of bend. We push down, start our motor, and bring in our piece. Now this is variable speed. You could slow it down. A lot of the time you're going to rock this racket back and forth until you get exactly what you want. Now I'm going to bring it back the other way and we're going to change our degrees. I'll show you the different speed. Here's the higher speed. Here's your lower speed, kind of just creeping. Again, you can kind of just feather that in there. Now I'm going to come around, we're going to raise the rear roll again, and that's going to give it an even tighter depth to get this bend to where you can see right there. You can actually see the strength of the roll is bending the plate right now. It's going to be in the position it'll be while it rolls. We'll give it a nice tight bend, see how close we can get it. And you can see if this is all that you're making, you don't have to have that air drop end or the hydraulic drop end. You can pull it right out and keep going on your way. Now we've raised this up, we're at about 2.5 inches. We'll go ahead and run the roll again. Let it bend this plate a little bit. Bring it back. I'm going pretty fast here. Again, It is variable speed. Now, if this is exactly what you needed, this type of an angle, you could take it right off your machine and go on your merry way. If you need to get even more of a depth and a roll, we'll go ahead and bring this back roll up just a little bit more. You can see everything down here nice and smooth. We're going to really try to tighten this guy up. We'll make one more pass. You can see how easy it is to roll. Of course, it's a small piece right here. And we'll bring it back again. As you can see, rolling is an art. It takes a lot of years to actually do exactly what you want. All the different types of rolls, to be able to set it up is what takes the time. When you set everything up, get it all put into place properly, and everything's tightened up, it'll make a really nice, easy roll every time. With these older machines, they're very heavy duty. They're meant to really take a beating and keep running harder and push harder material. So it's a really great deal sometimes when you can get an older machine at a quarter of the price and do the job that you need to, and not have to worry about getting some type of CNC machine where you're going to be overdoing all the options. Now, if this Bertsch is something you're looking for, you can see we have a lot of them in stock, all different sizes. I believe this is another 10 or 12 footer. We've got all the way up to 24 foot in stock right now, new as well as used. Give us a call, let us know how we can help. 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory, financing program, and more at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.